Hello there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I've got something really cool to share with you all. It's a flip-flop circuit. I received this PCB and components from a good friend from DigiMetz. They provide high-quality PCB designs and all other kinds of electronic services. Check the links in the description for more information. This flip-flop circuit operates smoothly within a voltage range of 5 to 9 volts. Okay, let's see what are the components that comes with the pack. 2 LEDs, 2 470 ohms resistors, 2 47 kilo ohms resistors, 2 BC 547 transistors, and 2 10 U.F capacitors. Okay, let's put the components into the PCB. Next, we will solder the components into the PCB. Now that we have soldered everything, let's solder the power supply lines. I am using a 5 volts, 2 amps power supply for testing. Let's check it out. Wow, working fine. You can get this circuit and practice. Thanks for watching.